Cecilia Berenice Cuautle Garcia. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Mexico and I'm applying for MCVP OGB 2017-2018 in IESEC, Guatemala. This is my application.
Have you ever imagined how your actions impact the world? If your answer is not, it's time to prove it. I joined at IESEC in October 2015 and I can't believe how this organization has changed my mind and lifestyle. The best of this experience is that I can see the transformation of my members, EPs, and teammates, and how they've grown during their stay at IESEC, and after that, how they continue working for a better world. How do I see IESEC for Guatemala for this year? It's going to be a boom. It's time to prove the impact that IESEC has done in the youth and how this organization has changed the Guatemalan guys. It's the moment to demonstrate what they are as a nation. As members, or as IESECers, newbies and oldies have the obligation to share their experience and empower others to go for it. On the other hand, there are a lot of communication channels and we'll use them to share why we do what we do. Let's use the technology as a benefit and make our programs inclusive for everyone everywhere. Now, we are going to prove that we are not the future of the world. We are the present, and just by actions we'll justify it. Why should I be the next MCVP OGB? The answer is easy. I'm solution oriented. I don't like to say what I'm going to do. Actions speak louder than words. I'm going to share all the things that I've learned as an IESECer and as an exchanger. If I could reach the goals of OGB in IESEC Puebla, I'm positive that I will replicate the strategies in Guatemala for a bigger impact, and of course I will share what I know in IESEC in Mexico. I believe in the potential of youth, and together we are going to work for a better world, where we are going to change lives. This will be a challenge, but I'm positive that it will be worth it. If you want to know how I work, just let me show you how little actions create big changes. Thank you.